Hello children, parents, caregivers, and teachers. Welcome to Teacher Weena's reading program. Let's learn the ending sound P. Let's write the uppercase and lowercase p in the air. P. You may also get a piece of paper, a writing tablet, or a whiteboard and write P as many times as you want. Afterwards, we're going to play a game. Let's begin. Say the names of these two pictures with me. Cap, rat. Let's say it again. Cap, rat. Which of these two pictures has the ending sound P? You can pause this video and think about it. If you chose cap, you're right. Let's try this. Sip, hat. Say it with me. Sip, hat. Which of these two pictures has the P ending sound? Sip, hat. You can pause this video and think about it. If you chose sip, you're right. How about another one? Say the names of these two pictures with me. Bed, mop. Let's say it again. Bed, mop. Which of these two pictures has the ending sound P? You can pause this video and think about it. If you chose mop, you're right. Mop has the ending sound P. And so is sip. P. And so is the word cap. P. Cap. Well done. We learned the ending sound P. For more videos of Teacher Weena's reading program, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Don't forget to share. Bye!